Hi, I'm Erin from dinnersdishesanddeserts.com, and today we are going to make blueberry banana bread. This is my favorite banana bread ever. It is super tender and moist and so easy to make. It makes a great base if you want to add in anything else like chocolate chips or nuts or even other fruit. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries so you can make it all year round. I like to make it ahead and have it in my freezer. I've also turned it into muffins, so it's great for busy school mornings. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then I like to line a loaf pan with parchment paper. And to help get the parchment paper to stick in the pan, I like to spray a little non-stick spray in it first. In a separate bowl here, we're going to combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And we'll whisk that together. Then we'll set that aside. In the electric mixer, we're going to cream the butter and sugar together until it's nice and fluffy. Then we'll mix in the eggs, the milk, and the vanilla until it's nice and smooth. Now we'll add the mashed banana and get it all mixed together. While the mixer's on at low speed, we're going to gradually add the flour in. We want it to just combine. We don't want to overmix it or the bread will become tough. Next, we will gently fold in the blueberries. We will pour it into the loaf pan that we prepared earlier and put it in the oven for about an hour until a tester comes out clean. Now we'll remove it from the oven and let it cool completely before we get to slice and serve it. To get the full recipe, go to dinnersdishesanddeserts.com.